Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the exception unknown software exception 0xe0434352 error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to repair the .NET framework. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar. Click on turn Windows features on or off. Now you'll find this .NET framework here. Expand both the 3.5 and the 4.8 ones. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK. And it will need a while to replicate the changes. You can minimize it and continue with your work. This should fix the problem, but if it does not, then you can perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.